Truckers, here's an update, very quick one. Not sure what's going on, but LUNING, they have where it says stop here. I'm going to put this up here so that, because we're moving. So not sure why. Just wanted to make sure I was taping. But not sure why, but it says, you'll see right here, it says stop here. And it says wait for pilot car. Hopefully they don't make me stop and wait. They got some type of DOT. Oh, they're doing the streets. Yeah, they're doing the streets. They got some construction going on here. So, just so you know, this is a quick, they got the rest area is actually